In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Illustrator on your Windows PC or Mac using Adobe's official free trial. To get started, click the first link in the video description. This will take you to Adobe's official website. Select your country, then click Start Free Trial. Next, you'll see 3 plan options: individual, business, and students and teachers. If you're installing Illustrator for personal use, choose the individual plan. It includes a 14-day free trial of Adobe Illustrator, along with a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock. Once you've selected your plan, click Continue. Enter your email address and continue. Then fill in the required information, including your payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the free trial ends. After that, click Agree and subscribe. On the next screen, create a secure password for your Adobe account. Now, open the second link in the description and download the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Install it on your computer and sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. Once you're logged in, open the app section inside Creative Cloud, find Adobe Illustrator, and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, and you're ready to start using Illustrator. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.